One of the advertisements you'll be creating for your magazine is based off of one of your Adobe Illustrator Classroom in a Book projects. You need to create a half-page ad. I'll let you use any of the tutorials that you have created in the Classroom in a Book project. Here you can see I've got a couple of people who decided to use the jellyfish in a couple of different ways. So one made them into little jelly cubes, another made them into lip gloss. So it's totally up to you as to what you're going to do with it. You can use smart objects. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for it to be the correct size, which is 8.5 by, or 5.5 by 8.5. As always, parody product, parody logo. Don't forget those headlines, call to actions, contact information. I'm looking for you to incorporate that Classroom in a Book tutorial image some way. Don't just slap it in there, do something with it. But pay attention to your resolution. Make sure you're giving photo credit to whatever Classroom in a Book you're using and to the smart object or mock-up if you decide to use one. If you do put it at the bottom of the page, go ahead and make sure you've got that none master so you don't have to end up with a page number in the bottom. And don't forget those inspiration sheets. So you can see in the past I've had quite a few students do this. At one point we did one with a cruise ship. So this person made a t-shirt. Some people have decided to turn it sideways and use the page a little bit differently, which is fine, but it does give you a kind of a weird spot you have to fill around. But there's quite a few different ways you can approach, and there's so many different types and elements of tutorials that you've created throughout your Classroom in a Book projects. So find one that fits best for your project. What is going to be a good fit for you? So here I've got some more cruise ship ones. So figure out which one works, how to take elements of it, how to work in Illustrator to pull the pieces apart that you want, and to create that half-page ad that makes sense for your publication.